Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move double step. That looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to be able to do the double step. Now for the guys in this particular version, that goes forwards. For the ladies, it goes back, but you can do either direction when you're actually in hold, so both of them are useful. So we're going to do both for everyone. So if Karen faces the front and I face across, that way you can see a kind of plan view of everything. We'll start with our left foot back, so if we weight our left foot back, weight onto the front foot, and we're going to go 1, 2, 2 steps, 1 count as it were when we're dancing it. So we're going to go left, right, da da, and we're going to do the same again, 1, 2. Then we're going to shift weight onto the back foot, and we're going to do the same backwards. So we're going to go right, left, and it's going to go right, left, and again right, left. Shift weight onto the front foot. Let's try forwards, 1, 2, 1, 2. Changing weight, going backwards, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, so you get a little rock in the body. Let's see if we can make that into a move with a partner. So left to right, starts like a first move, so we go back and in and twist out. Guys, we're going to step across in front of the lady, a little bit like a first move inside turn, but we're going to bring the lady towards us with the right arm. So we're back on the left, ladies are forwards on the right. Front right corner of the guy's body is pretty much in contact with the lady's sternum. And all we've got to do now, left hand up, strong elbow, weight onto the right, so there's a little tilt, and we're ready for the guys going 1, 2 forwards, ladies going 1, 2 back, and we just go double step. Same again, 1, 2. Then we get the twist out for the normal version. Finish the first move off, twist, turn, face, return, and back. Let's put that to numbers, and we'll do it from the other side. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, into hold 4, change weight 5, we get 1, 2 on 6, 1, 2 on 7, twist out 8, in 1, turning 2, facing 3, returning 4, and back 5. So let's try it together to a count. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, a 6, a first move double step, we go a back and in, twist out, into hold, shift weight, 1, 2, 1, 2, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. Now I did mention that you could do the steps forwards or backwards, so I'm just going to show you a variation where we do exactly what we did before, but then we do 2 steps backwards as well. So it looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So you've got a challenge now. You can try different numbers forwards and backwards and see which variations you like. Hope you've enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip, and as always, like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new clip comes out. Stay safe out there. Enjoy your dancing.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.